Namaste, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel, where we explore the latest and greatest AI tools. Right now, AI is changing the game for Indians, from content creators to entrepreneurs. Did you know that the Indian AI market is expected to reach $7.8 billion by 2025? That's why I've curated the top 5 AI tools for Indians this week, which can boost your productivity, creativity, and bottom line. So, let's dive in and explore these amazing tools. Night Cafe is an image AI tool that offers daily free credits, making it perfect for hobbyists. You can use it to generate stunning artwork, edit photos, and even create logos. Did you know that Night Cafe uses a combination of AI and machine learning algorithms to create unique art pieces? The best use cases for Indians are creating social media graphics, designing party invitations, and making personalized gifts. Night Cafe offers daily free credits, with optional paid plans starting at $9.99 per month. Verdict: Night Cafe is a must-try for Indians who want to unlock their creative potential without breaking the bank. ClipDrop is another image AI tool that allows you to remove backgrounds, clean photos, and even create stunning collages. Did you know that ClipDrop uses AI-powered object detection to remove backgrounds with precision? The best use cases for Indians are creating product images for e-commerce, designing brochures, and making social media posts. ClipDrop offers a free tier, with paid plans starting at $14 per month. Verdict: ClipDrop is perfect for Indians who want to take their visual content to the next level without extensive photo editing experience. Runway ML is a video AI tool that offers limited free credits, making it best suited for short clips. You can use it to generate stunning videos, add special effects, and even create 3D animations. Did you know that Runway ML uses a combination of AI and machine learning algorithms to create realistic video simulations? The best use cases for Indians are creating social media teasers, designing explainer videos, and making product demos. Runway ML offers limited free credits, with paid plans starting at $15 per month. Verdict: Runway ML is perfect for Indians who want to create high-quality video content without extensive video editing experience. Pika Labs is a video AI tool that offers a free tier, making it great for social media video generation. You can use it to create stunning videos, add music, and even create 3D animations. Did you know that Pika Labs uses AI-powered video editing to create engaging videos in minutes? The best use cases for Indians are creating social media stories, designing product videos, and making event promos. Pika Labs offers a free tier, with paid plans starting at $8 per month. Verdict: Pika Labs is a must-try for Indians who want to create engaging video content without breaking the bank. Kling AI is a video AI tool that offers free credits, making it perfect for Indians who want to create realistic videos. You can use it to generate stunning videos, add special effects, and even create 3D animations. Did you know that Kling AI uses a combination of AI and machine learning algorithms to create realistic video simulations? The best use cases for Indians are creating social media teasers, designing product demos, and making event promos. Kling AI offers free credits, with optional paid plans. Verdict: Kling AI is perfect for Indians who want to create high-quality video content without extensive video editing experience. That's it for this week's top 5 AI tools for Indians. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for next week's episode, where we'll explore more exciting AI tools that can boost your productivity and creativity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.